Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is Auto Metro Train to Shuttle Between Two Stations or Driverless Metro Train. Driverless Metro Train shuttle between two stations. So in this project we are using an Arduino Uno R3 board and 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it convert to 5 volts pure DC output. And there are two sensors, one is forward sensor and another one is backward sensor. So forward sensor to start the engine and the door will be open, and it will collect the number of persons, and after three stations completed, fourth station should be stop, and then it will start the backward and stop the forward IR sensor and backward IR sensor. Those are connected with 7th and 6th pin GPIO pin number, and one alarm to indicate the buzzer whether the station opened or door closed system purpose. And member collection purpose, two IR sensors, those are in and out bidirectional, those are connected with 4 and 5 general purpose input output pin numbers. L293D at driver AC, it is connected with A0, A1, A2, A3 door open close, and the motor robot means vehicle forward backward direction purpose. And we are using 16x2 LCD display to show the information onto the LCD. It is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. Those are the pin numbers are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers, and total stops is 4 stops. So let us coming into the hardware part. We are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and here we are giving bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. Okay, so Arduino Uno R3 board, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 connected to the 16x2 LCD display. And this is forward IR sensor to stop the engine, start the engine, and backward IR sensors to stop the engine, and reverse direction start backward and stop the forward. So alarm, so IR transmitter, IR receiver, IR transmitter, IR receiver to collect the number of persons, and L293D is driver AC to run the two DC motors and the door open close system. L293D quadrupole HBG driver AC to control the two DC motors. And here I am using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source to start the engine. Okay, driverless metro train shuttle between two stations. Okay, operate in without sun mode. Okay, so whenever, okay, door open and members is 0 in, okay, 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 total 2 members. Okay, let us assume total 2 members, and the door is opened. Okay, door is closed, the door is opened, members is 1. Okay, total 4 members. It will wait for the 30 seconds of time. Okay, yeah, once door open, members are 4. Suppose exit, okay, exit, okay, total 2 members. Okay, member is 2, door is closed. Okay, okay, 1 2 3 station completed. Fourth station should be stop. Okay, fourth station stop, door open, persons are exit, okay, exit, okay. Okay, total members are 0. Okay, system closed. Okay, now there is no forward direction, must and should you have to enter with the backward direction. Okay, door open, members in, okay, please enter, okay, please enter, okay. Every 30 seconds it will wait for to collect the persons. Okay, 3 persons enter. Now it will go for the backward direction. Okay, now it is rotating the backward direction. Once is forward and then backward direction. Okay, motor stop, door open, and please exit. Okay, exit. Okay, only one member. Okay, one member. Last time forward direction, now backward direction. Okay, backward direction, train moving. Now it is third station. Okay, third station, exit. Okay, total members are 0. If the person is entered, please enter also. Okay, one member. Okay, now third station completed. It is going for the fourth station. Stop with the forward direction. Okay, okay, so now there is no backward, only forward means to stop. Okay, stop the vehicle, then exit. Okay, total members are 0. Once again, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, forward direction LED, front IR sensor and back IR sensor. And if okay, there is no backward, only it will start with the forward. Okay, alarm, Arduino Uno R3 board, backward IR sensor, sorry, person in and out sensor, DC motor, L293D driver racing, 16x2 LCD display. Now it starts with the forward direction. Thank you. And this is our block diagram. This is our hardware kit.